Kongoi missing Jehovah nyo. Haya twende.
Good actions and deeds and gaining good karma.
Is in tandem with the theme of this.
I would like to invite every member of parliament, senators who are sitting.
The hope of achieving moksha, which is salvation.
Together as we welcome the chair, Senator Dan Manzo. At this point in time, Your Excellency, allow me to invite the chair.
Giving us this opportunity to be here this morning.
Opening prayer by the Honorable
all, God bless our beautiful country, Kenya. Chapter 9, verse 22. Lord Krishna.
So verily.
The next reading is from the Hindu.